Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do just a fun pack with me for a quick weekend trip video. I'm gonna do this one a little bit differently than I've done my other videos because I've shown you guys like how I pack. But for this video I thought I'd show you guys like how I decide like what I'm gonna wear and basically show you guys like my process of how I style my outfits, how I prepare everything, kind of like things that I think about. This is more like outfit centric of like packing. I'm going to El Paso, Texas, which is like my hometown. I live here in Nashville, and I'm going back to El Paso for a couple of gigs. I'm doing a fall campaign over there. So I definitely have to think about what I'm wearing because I will be, you know, performing and taking tons of photos and kind of doing that whole thing. So I wanted to just get a jump start. I actually don't leave until the day after tomorrow, but tomorrow's a super busy day. So I thought, let me at least plan my outfits today and kind of show you guys how I do that because I got a lot of questions on my Europe packing videos, which if you want to check out, I'll put right here or I'll link them down below. And I got a lot of questions of like how I actually style the outfits. A lot of the time I will kind of like take basics and like pieces that I need that I know go with everything, and then I kind of just wing it from there. But sometimes for like a quick trip like this, I will like plan out each outfit or at least have an idea of what I'm gonna wear because it just makes life so much easier, especially when you're traveling. So before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will link all my outfits down below in my LTK or wherever I get them from, and then as well as my Amazon travel favorites that I've linked in past videos. Let's get this video started. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps my channel so much. And if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. And if you're new, welcome to the show. So let's get this video started. So to make things super easy, I just like to go in my notes app and basically write out everything that I'm gonna be wearing. So I have El Paso outfits, Thursday, a travel outfit, mall campaign outfit, and Mateo's campaign outfit. So I need 3 outfits for this day. Friday, I'm getting my hair done in the morning. So I could be like in leggings, I could be something simple, or I can be like in jeans, and then dinner with the girls that night. So I know I wanna fit for that and we'll probably go out afterwards. So that's good to know. Saturday, I know I'm gonna go for a workout in the morning. Then I have Saturday brunch with some girlfriends, and then I have a Saturday night performance. So I need 3 outfits for that. And then Sunday is a travel day. So it sounds like a lot of outfits and it kind of is, but this way, like I know exactly how many outfits I need, and I always bring like 1 to 3 extra outfits depending on how I'm feeling, because I feel like honestly, at the end of the day, it all depends on how I'm feeling that day. So I like to have options as well, just in case I'm like, I'm not really feeling these jeans or I'm not feeling that dress. So I can like just go in and be like, what did I have for that? And have it organized. And then so when I'm packing, I just mark each one off and it makes it so satisfying. All right, hopefully you can see the whole fit. But basically I styled this like long skirt that I just got with like a crop top and a red bag and like this cute little belt. I feel like it's giving like, this is how I styled an outfit. I just got this long skirt and I feel like it's such a vibe, and I love that it's cream and not like a bright white. I feel like it's like kind of perfect in that sense. And with flats, which who knew I'd be wearing flats? Loving the ballet flat moment with a red bag that just gives it like a nice pop of color. And I also just did my nails red. So like, it's just kind of, it's also gonna be 90 degrees in Texas. So I have to think of that. Like, I'm gonna be like, okay, I can't be like layering too much, but this is kind of like the perfect little, I'll probably bring a few different belts just because I've been like so into belts and I feel like they go with everything. I'll probably bring this bag along with a like a nude bag so that I just have like those two to interchange. Let me show you guys the flats. These are the flats that I got and I feel like they are literally perfect. Like they go with so many things. I'm still trying to see how I'll look with them like in jeans, like baggy jeans, because I feel like I could look stubby, but with this outfit, it's like kind of perfect. Okay, this is the next outfit, which I am totally loving. It's just this like black silk skirt that I got. It's not like silk, it's just kind of like, I don't know what material this is, but it's like a long black skirt. I just got it from H&M. It's so freaking cute with the red bag and the flats. Like, it's simple, but it's giving, you know what I mean? Like, it's just like, I think I'll probably wear this to go get my hair done because I'll be like sitting the whole time. So it's like comfortable, but then like afterwards I might go get lunch with a friend. So like, I feel like this is perfect. There's something about this combination that I'm really loving, like really loving. And of course I'm always wearing like gold jewelry. These are kind of things that I just bring and wear with me, and like gold hoops. And also gold hoops. These are just the kind of things that I bring with me on all trips. Like I just bring my basic gold things, and usually I'll just wear it throughout the whole trip, so I don't have to like worry about like mismatching and all that. All right, this outfit I'm either thinking maybe Friday night dinner with the girls or brunch on Saturday. Maybe Friday night, but I love this skirt. It is like so freaking cute. It's giving like mermaid vibes. And then I paired it with like a pair of white kitten heels that I'll also be bringing. And they also go with like the other outfits that I was wearing. So if I want to switch it up, if I don't want to wear the flats, then I can do that. But let me show you guys, like this is just so cute. Like I love the print and I love like the mermaid vibe that it gives. It's so freaking cute. And I just paired it with this top from Forever 21. I'm also taking photos of all of these outfits so that I have them and then I can make a folder in my phone to be like, what was I gonna wear again? Like what was my vibe? How did I combine that? Or if I get another idea, I can just like look at them and be like, okay, this is what I'm wearing. I feel like the red bag didn't really go with this outfit, so I'm also gonna bring this white Prada purse. I feel like a neutral and a pop of color. Like those are the two keys, and that's pretty much all I'll need for the whole trip. I might bring a black bag just in case, because it's always good to have, but I think I'd be solid. I like to bring like probably like 3 pairs of shoes and like 3 bags just to kind of have a little bit of variety, but that all can interchange. So it kind of makes sense if I'm like on the go and I'm like, oh, I don't have time to change my purse, any of that, like I can just put it with every outfit. Obsessed with this outfit. I think this might be the outfit I wear to do the mall campaign because it's gonna be like shopping, fall, beauty, all the things. So I feel like this is like trendy and like a little bit different, but still super cute and comfortable. This is the outfit. This is actually a skirt, but I love that it like looks like a skirt. It's from Zara. I got it last year and I got it with like a matching jacket, which I should try on. But I thought like this fun zebra print top was so cute. Like I'm just obsessed with this. I love the zebra in the brown with like the pop of red. And then I thought I'd pair it with these boots, which I know it's gonna be hot, but I feel like I can get away with these. They're really light, they're not like super thick. And they have like a little bit of a heel, but like they're so comfortable. I need to get these in like every color. I'm obsessed with this. Like I think it's like the perfect transitional fall outfit. You know what I mean? Like it's like, I'm trendy, but I'm not like too much, you know? I came up with this outfit and I feel like this outfit is honestly like more of like a backup outfit that I'll bring. Like, I don't know if I'll wear this, but it's a good solid monochromatic moment with a pop of red with the purse. Love that with the boots. I could also wear this outfit with like the kitten heels as well. So I feel like it's a vibe. So yeah, I feel like I could wear this with the kitten heels as well, or with the boots, either one. It's like a good monochromatic, easy, super comfy like situation. So I'm gonna bring this just in case. This is a just in case outfit, like, you know what I mean? And I could also pair this with like a white top, or I could pair this top with another bottom. I just love the like the rib material of this. It's giving fall, but it's still 90 degrees. Okay, I lied. I think I like this more as a just in case outfit just because the brown makes like the whole outfit pop. So cute. It's so fall, but it's like, it's still hot, you know what I mean? Love this. Okay, love this so much more. I love brown right now. It's such a good color. Okay, now I figured out an outfit for performance. I have 2 options depending on kind of how I feel. Well, kind of 3, but you'll see. So this top is from Kittenish. It's a store here in Nashville and I think in Dallas. And I paired it with this skirt that I got from White Fox, which is part of a set that I'll show you guys right now. So this is like a good option. I'm staying at this like really nice hotel, so I'm wearing like some heels that I'll show you guys. But I love this outfit. Like I feel like it's not safe, but it's like, okay, I feel good in it, I feel confident, and I can stand in these heels for a couple of hours. So like, I like to bring several options because sometimes I get like bloated or I'm just like uncomfortable, or the vibe is just different. So I wanna make sure that I have a few options. So this is one of them. A set that I actually wore for my birthday last year, and I've only literally worn it then, but I've reworn the skirt tons of times. I just haven't worn the whole set. So I was like, maybe it's been like almost a year basically. So I was like, I feel like this would be fun too. You can come in, babe. I'm just filming.
What?
You can come in.
Okay.
I'm just filming. What do you think of this outfit? M&M's.
It's good. Nice.
I haven't worn it since my birthday.
I've seen it on you before.
Well, that's the only time I've worn it.
There's the one you were wearing earlier looked better.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You don't like the fluffy sleeves or what?
No.
That's what I love.
Yeah, you look like a
flamingo.
yeah, I guess. I like the skirt.
I'm like planning my outfits now so I can just like kind of have everything ready for tomorrow.
For tomorrow's show?
No, like so I don't have to worry about packing tomorrow.
Oh, gotcha. I didn't know if you were talking about the show or packing.
Well, yeah, I have to figure
What time does your plane leave?
Like 8 a.m. or 8:30 or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Not super early.
Not crazy?
Yeah, I know. He doesn't like the sleeves, but I personally love them, so it's fine. Okay, so I'm also gonna bring this dress that I got sent to me. I forgot where it's from, but I will link it down below, and I kind of love it. I haven't worn it out yet. It's got like that really trendy lettuce ruffle situation, and I kind of am obsessed. It's just like a tube top. Also, mind you, like I will be tanning tomorrow because I am so pale right now. So just imagine all these outfits with a tan on, but I love this dress. It's literally so comfortable. It's like a tube dress, but just like with the ruffly details. And it's really nice because it's like super light, breathable, fun, sexy, but like not revealing at all. Very form-fitting. I'm definitely gonna bring this outfit like as a second option, just in case. And because I'm doing a campaign at the mall when I get there, I might do some shopping. May or may not, I'm not totally sure. So for sure, I think I'm gonna bring this though. Just as a fun option, and then like to go out afterwards, I think it'll be a vibe because I don't really have too many reasons to wear this dress here yet, like in Nashville. It does feel like a little more fancy, you know what I mean? But still fun and trendy, and I could pretty much wear any shoe with it, any bag. Like black is just like perfect, and I feel like that could just like really be a vibe. So yeah, I love this dress. It's so comfortable, and it like really does nice things for the body. Okay, so this outfit, I'm thinking that I will put this on for a campaign that I'm doing with a Mexican restaurant. So it's a little more casual, but I got this belt from a vintage store last week and I've been wanting to wear it. And super casual, I'll probably wear, I'm gonna bring my Nikes and I'll probably wear those with this outfit, just like super casual, like going to eat food, but still cute and comfy. I'm debating between like shorts, because I know it's gonna be hot, or a long denim skirt. Let's try the long denim skirt. I might just bring like the shorts and the long denim. I might just bring both just to have. And then this I will definitely be wearing like on the plane because it's so comfortable, and it's like I've been wearing this like all summer. This is also vintage. I got it from a secondhand store in Franklin, and I freaking love it. It's like the perfect oversized denim shirt. Like it's literally a dream. So this is a vibe for sure. I think, yeah. And it's giving like Latin vibes, like Selena, like 90s. That's kind of like the idea, but I might do a long denim skirt and just bring this as well. Okay, I think I definitely like this more. It's like a little more elevated, a little more chic. It's still got like the belt element. I just took this skirt out of the dryer, so I definitely need to iron it before I leave or before I pack it up, but so cute with like either the kitten heels or the flats. Might have to do the flats because it's just a vibe. But I love this so much. So I think this will be the outfit that I do the Mexican food campaign in, or just one of the outfits. Now I feel like I have a good amount of outfits. This is giving mermaid vibes. I might wear this tonight because I'm doing a performance tonight, and then we're going to like a show afterwards. So I'm like, ooh, maybe this is a vibe. Like the teal with the red. I don't know, I love it. It's giving mermaid vibes. I paired it with this like gold belt as well. I kind of freaking love this as well. So I don't know if I'll wear it tonight. It's definitely an option, or bring it on my trip. So I'm kind of styling for, I have a show tonight and then tomorrow and then I leave. So it all helps, right? Hey, wait, I just came up with this outfit. I feel like, you know what, here's my tip if you're like trying to style outfits, you don't know how like the fashion girlies do it, honestly, just try on clothes, try on combinations, look at Pinterest, look for inspo, try things that you already have or get pieces that you've seen that you're like, okay, I know I can combine that with several things. I've never put this together, but like, I love this. I love this so much. I love it. It's a total vibe. I might wear this. I don't know what day I'll wear this. Even if I don't wear it on my trip, I know like this is a vibe. This is a moment. So I'm so obsessed. I'm also going to Florida in a few weeks. So I feel like this could also be saved for that. Or I could wear it again. I mean, I rewear my clothes all the time and there's just like go-to outfits that are too good. Like the denim with the red, with the gold. I love it. I love it so much. I also had to make a coffee. But like, this is a total vibe. I'm obsessed. I don't know when. I feel like this has turned from a packing video into like a styling video for sure, so I'm sorry about that, but now you can see kind of how I process things. Like I will literally just try so many things on until I get a vibe, you know what I mean? Until it's like, this is serving. And definitely accessories help so much, like the belt and the red bag changes up so much. And I have a couple of necklaces. I'll definitely be putting on like rings. I'm not trying on jewelry right now, but I was like, just so I know what my overall vibe is, this is a vibe. This is, we're getting somewhere with all of this. Right, now that my room is a complete disaster, like all of this clothes, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it into a suitcase. Basically what I'm gonna do is throw it all into the suitcase and just kind of pack it up tomorrow, but at least now I have my outfits, so it'll make packing so much more easier because now I have to run and I'm going to a performance, but I have photos on my phone, which is the key, and I'm gonna make a album, and so I'll have that to be able to refer to outfits that I wanna wear, ideas, if I'm like stressing and I'm like, what do I want to wear? Or I don't have time. I am packing also like a workout set, and I'm also packing leggings, and that's what I'm going to be wearing on the plane. Something super simple with like my oversized denim shirt and nothing too crazy. I might pack a onesie for my way back. I literally just always get cold, so I always just stick to leggings. I usually bring about like 2 to 3 pairs of leggings, just, you know, for safety. I always have an extra pair in my bag. Also, having everything on my phone also reminds me like what I brought when I'm packing and what I need to take with me. So I'm taking like my flats, kitten heels, pair of boots, and sneakers. Those are the shoes, taking a red bag and my white Prada bag, and then the rest, I'm ready to go. Also like to pack a cardigan and a blazer. Blazer more for like the night outings. I don't think it's gonna be cold at all in Texas, but you never know. And a cardigan is just good because I feel like when you're indoors in places, it gets chilly still. And my oversized denim shirt. So I'm gonna have like enough coverage. You just can never be over prepared. I know this is kind of like a lot of effort, but it makes things so much more seamless when you're traveling. So you don't even have to be worrying about like what you're gonna be wearing, especially to different events or occasions and doing all of that. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like more styling videos like this. I will link everything down below. I probably will do it a little more organized next time, like maybe fall outfit ideas or transitional fall outfit ideas since it's not super cold yet. But this was so fun because I feel like a lot of these pieces I've had in my closet for a while. So it's just like restyling, reimagining them and bringing them to life. And it does take time, but it's worth it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite outfit or any outfit ideas that you think I should wear. Any vibes that I should try out, any trends. I will see you guys in the next video, and I love you.